Hello, guys. Welcome to Knowledge is Formed by Olabiji Akan. In this tutorial video, we are going to discuss Belgium. When you belch like this, wow. Have you ever belched after a meal? Do well to continue with this video. It's going to be very interesting. Okay, guys, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever belched? Wow. Is it good to do that? How did you feel after belching? Wow. Although some people consider belching as a bad habit, there are many health benefits that result from it. Belching helps the food we eat to digest better and faster. Children normally feel uncomfortable and restless when they eat without belching. Belching relieves them of the discomfort. Belching after taking aerated drinks like beverages helps us to pass out the gas contents in them. Beverages contains acid, which is capable of making us heavy and develop a bloated belly. Belching also helps us to pass out carbon dioxide from our body. All this helps in preventing bloated stomach and chest pain. If we fail to belch after meal, then we should expect a fight from the other end. But if these two things happen, there is problem somewhere. We should try and see a doctor. Okay, so belching is very good. It has its own health benefits. It is good when we belch, but I think we should do it moderately. We shouldn't, make the loud, belching. Thank you, guys. I've been able to educate you about belching, been able to cite the importance of belching. So it is very interesting for us to know about these things because knowledge is fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Do well to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell notification so that you can get first-hand videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.